You try this pan bhaji? The chicken curry is good. Very nice. Basic home style, but very nicely done. Green masala. Just finished lunch here at the property that we are staying in. It's called Kolavara Heritage. Just about an hour ago, we had the throb of the motorcycle. And now we have the quietness of the space. The birds chirping around us.
Serve a little bit of all the wines so you can get to taste all of them.
So these are made here by you?
My mother-in-law makes them, we just help her with them.
Karnataka wine, you can actually feel it. It's like tasting the liquid version of supari. Shimoga is 76 kilometers that way. Sringeri is 28 kilometers this way, and Thirthahalli is 24 kilometers. Oh, this is beautiful. Estates on either side. I think it's in a coffee estate. Never been here before, but we'll find out more. We've arrived at Kolavara Heritage. I hope you have enough vegetarian for you.
Yeah.
Then palya?
Jackfruit, sir.
Jackfruit, ah.
Rice, sir. Sambar. Rasam. Curd. Pankai uppu. Apla. Paisa.
Boiled egg.
हाँ sir. Chicken dry.
Chicken dry.
Chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Billedale bajji.
Billedale andre?
Pan ka patta.
Pan ka patta. Curry roti kennide? Sweet halla?
हाँ sweet coconut milk. इल्लांದ್ರೆ chicken curry. kurma ಇದೆ. Vegetable kurma.
हाँ vegetable kurma.
पल्ले jackfruit पल्ले.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. You try this pan bhaji?
Yeah.
It looks like a war zone, man. Which one? This is all the random puppets.
The chicken curry is good. Very nice. Basic
very
home
nice.
style, but very nicely done. Green masala.
Did you try this one? It's nice.
The chakka. Raw jackfruit.
Yeah, that's so nice.
Hello.
Just finished lunch here at the property that we are staying in. It's called Kolavara Heritage. It's in a estate. There's coffee, there's areca. It's a nice setup. Haven't explored much. We just came in and we went straight for lunch there. Lunch was a simple affair, a home style sort of an affair. Enjoyed a nice chicken curry, which was interesting. Very tasty with some shavige. The room is clean, airy, comfortable. But I think what's interesting about this place is the environment. Just about an hour ago, we had the throb of the motorcycle, and now we have the quietness of the space. The birds chirping around us. Listening to these birds, I'm also feeling sleepy now. It's about 3:45 now, so I've been up for over 12 hours. So I think we'll probably get some rest and then catch up with the boys in the evening. So this vlog is going to be very unstructured. I'll stitch together some footage. Hopefully you'll find it interesting. This is the room that I'm staying in. Very simple sort of a room, but nice and cozy. The room is simple in its appointment. You have one double bed and one single bed. High ceiling. Although it's warm outside, in the room it's quite pleasant, quite cool. There's a television in the room, some place to keep your clothes, and that of course is all the riding gear, so it's a bit messy at this point in time. Wash basin, and then you have bucket bath, and of course the I think that goes behind to the estate. Just woke up from a snooze and I think I was out for at least an hour and a half. It's about 6:10 now. So when you're riding, you have that adrenaline, you have that josh. So you think you can do that 350 kilometers. And so even after doing 350 kilometers, I came in, I was like, okay, fine, this is great. I was very happy that we could do it and I wasn't too tired. But I came to my room, the room was quite cool with the fan cooling it down. And I said, okay, let me lie down for about 15-20 minutes. And I was out like a light for about an hour and a half. So now we're well rested. You know, it's one of those things that I never do. I never ever take an afternoon nap. But I guess my body needed that rest. And I'm happy I got the rest. The boys were talking about meeting in the pool, but before I meet them, but I need a cup of coffee before that. Just when I said I love the stillness, I've got some dogs howling in the background. Ah, look at all the jackfruit. I think it's going to ripen in about a month or two. We had some raw jackfruit palya for lunch today.
That's a residential area.
The twisties were fun actually.
10-20 kilometers is fun, right? After that, it becomes
No, if it is weather is good, no, you'll enjoy
I
it.
enjoyed it.
When you're tired,
morning, right? No, from there.
Not to sleep, not to feel tired, I was standing and riding. Just to have some change. Otherwise, you will get bored now.
But you always, I find you that you're mostly standing and riding.
And I have fun.
I hope one day you don't run into a cop somewhere who say, okay, sing the mana.
And I feel good here, standing and riding. It's very comfortable.
balance is also better. Actually.
Balance is good.
Sit forward, it's easier actually. Because the natural position in that is to kind of chill and sit. But
So when you do
that, it's
especially
very
when you do
difficult.
twisties, you go lean forward.
Lean forward a little bit more and then kind of
you can
do
pop.
that,
Then
then
it's
it's
possible.
actually becomes easier.
Anybody wants any pakoda?
Edge of the road, steep, and there was full khadda. My bike, the Artisan can't get out of the bike because then he will fall. Then I'm trying to put it into ADV mode, this mode, that mode, and you try and race that because of the power. You feel that you're gonna fall. I spent about 20 minutes there.
Good coffee and bhaji
You can't afford to.
and conversation with the boys.
I'll just serve a little bit of all the wines so you can get to taste all of them.
So these are made here by you?
Yeah, my mother-in-law makes them, we just help her with it. Just pass the glasses. See, it's natural alcohol because of barley and sugar put together. That's it. There's no alcohol added. This apple wine, we have two apple wines. One is with dry fruits and one is just with regular barley and sugar.
This is the one with the
Dry fruits.
dry fruits.
Yeah.
It's not like
Yeah.
my mom and dad also.
Nice.
Mom and dad also.
Since these wines are still new, they have very little alcohol content at present, maybe less than 3. So for people who are trying for the first time, we say chill because it's got less than Benadryl.
So this is apple again.
This is apple again, but this is without dry fruits. This is just plain apple.
Yeah, the other one was much more
Stronger. Yeah. And as they age, they get stronger. Now, most of them are still new. Everything has sugar.
Has
That's the main
sugar.
preservative in this. We're not adding any other preservatives. Sugar is the main preservative.
So when you say pomegranate wine, so how much percentage of that is pomegranate?
Sugar and pomegranate, any fruit is 1:1.
Is 1:1.
Yeah. Barley, breaks sugar further. So as they age, the sugar level drops. Okay, because we make it in small quantity and we sell. Most of our wines are still new. Usually bottled like this, 750 ml bottles. So it's 500 per bottle, all flavors, other than this apple wine. This is 750. It has cashew and grapes. That's why you can fake it's a little on the stronger side.
Yeah, it's got more body to it, more weight to it.
Yeah.
I think perhaps because these are still very new, so therefore the sugars are
Yeah.
what is more expressive at this point,
Exactly.
as opposed to the character of the fruit.
Yeah, and guests we have, most of them like wine on the sweeter side. So we tell them if you have guest home and if they don't like it sweet, please feel free to add alcohol to it.
Joe, that's advice for you. This is.
Betel leaf.
Okay.
It's like
We can smell the pan.
Astringency or the aroma.
So what's the difference between this wine and the traditional wine that...
There is no sugar that's added to those wines. So it's basically the natural sugars that convert to alcohol as they ferment. So it depends if you like sweet wines, these are. But so in those wines, there's no sugar. So it's the natural character of the fruit. And then the fruit is also the terroir, right? The place where that fruit grows. So all those expressions find their way ultimately into that wine that is poured in your glass.
You store them in barrels or something?
We make it in a very crude method, like like how he was explaining about how they make wine over there. It's all made under set temperature. So we usually make it below 70 degree high.
This you can definitely taste the betel.
yeah, this is spot on. This is good to blind taste.
There's a bit of that everythingness that comes from betel. This is spice.
From the beginning. Have you seen my nostrils flaring like?
Let me zoom in.
My God.
What do you
He can't handle it.
Decide because
tiny pricks,
it is
no?
not like wine, it is not fermented.
It's like those pins. Wow.
It is
Like those pinpointed pricks of the
We
chili.
give it to kids also.
It's nice.
You taste it slowly.
Even if you taste it
Combination
fast,
depending on how sweet and
even if you taste
spicy
it
you
fast,
want
that
it.
chili takes its time to work. You can now feel it. It's
Now
in
you
the throat
feel it.
somewhere.
Wow, this is an amazing combination. The ginger and the.
Yeah, this one last.
This is nice.
I think I didn't serve it.
I love the ginger.
You liked it?
The combination is awesome.
Is this fresh ginger or dry ginger?
Fresh
Because the flavors are very
Yeah,
concentrated.
because we grow it here.
Ah.
Yeah, the ginger.
Flavor cuts very well with chili, no?
So both have
Reveal
warmth, but
yourselves.
very different
More
kinds of warmth, right?
Mouth.
I can feel the warmth from the ginger and also from the chili.
That was
Beautiful.
That woke you up like.
And
And
that-
you feel the heat. You feel the heat in the body coming up.
Yeah.
You know, Griff Crackle has the best special effects.
Yeah, and the sounds didn't come. Do a volcano. Once I get enough material, do like a compilation of all Griff sounds.
It's dangerous walking around this.
We'll do family material, don't worry.
Okay, so the next one is ginger. It's zero alcohol because we don't add barley to it. We've added red chili to it. So it's kind of soothing. It clears your throat. So we even give it to children above 5. So when they have cold or the phlegm accumulated.
It's very nice actually.
So it's the fruit, the barley and the sugar in a 1:1:1, is it?
No, barley and wheat and all is just added handful.
Okay, just to get the fermentation
Feel
going.
the ginger warming up.
And then we
The
even
body?
add spices
Very interesting,
like cinnamon and clove and other things.
Okay.
The combination of chili is amazing.
Chili it basically
Yeah.
cuts down the sweetness of this.
Or the ginger one.
The combination. Oh, it's awesome.
I think you should have this instead of Benadryl. Have this.
Seriously, I'm telling you.
The last one we have is areca, and this is usually had after meal with the same concept of having pan because it helps in digestion. So this kind of makes your mouth a little dry. So we usually serve it in the end because you won't get the flavors of all the other.
I see. Oh, look at the color of that. Beautiful.
And that's a natural color.
Yeah, that's the natural kind.
The red nut, right? Not
Yes.
the white one.
No, the white one before
No,
it
but
is
the
boiled.
nut is not red, right?
Yeah,
The
but it is still soft. Okay, we boil it with the jamun trees bark. So it's
oh,
collected, boiled, and that adds the color.
that adds the color, yeah. Because otherwise it'll be
But
colorless,
otherwise, the
right?
natural color is when you chop the areca, your hand gets this color.
Amazing.
We baptize
When it is no-
Like the next word baptized.
Areca nut wine, you can actually feel it. It's like tasting the liquid version of supari. It's an interesting wine tasting. I didn't really expect a wine tasting, so it was nice.
Telling you, you thought I was joking.
I think the ginger and chili wine was the best.
Yeah, that perfect combination of flavors.
See the other wines, what happens because they add so much sugar, right? Masala peanuts after the wine, Joe.
ಇದು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಸಲಾದ್
Masala peanut green salad.
And Yamazaki.
And Yamazaki. Yeah. The mutton curry is nice.
सुबह कितना बजे चाय मिलता है?
Nice curry. Nice curry. Mutton curry. Mutton curry is good. Even in the afternoon, the chicken curry was nice.
Which one, the red or the?
The green one.
I like the red also because it tasted like more of my fish curry in Kerala. What's the fish called you said?
They call it Roopchand pomfret.
This one, huh? So if you look at it now, home cooked food like this now, simple, tasty, no? Simple dishes.
Hey folks, good morning. So we're on day 2 of our motorcycle ride, and the time is just about 10 to 8. Great day yesterday with the riding, and of course also the time that we spent here with the boys. And we're just getting set to ride out today, do some breakfast and then head out. How's breakfast?
Good.
What are you eating?
And Malenadu.
Malige dosa.
One minute. Okay.
ये साबू है, डोसे के ऊपर भी डालते हैं.
Sagu is good, huh?
ठीक है.
All set.
Yeah.
Just fix the.
You fix the
Sena.
cena?
Yeah.
It's working?
It's all working.
Some breakfast. Malige dosa and sagu. The dosa is very soft, no? Very good.
Joe, you should try this stew, man. Awesome. Amazingly awesome. This stew.
Sagu.
Sagu.
Yeah, but it's more like a stew, right? It's not like typical.
Sagu.
Very nice. The dosa is spongy. Very light. That dosa and sagu is very good.
The Malige dosa.
Fix it. Fantastic.
Do it with a Swiss knife.
That's it, I'm telling you, dude.
He's
There's
the
still
guy.
time for you. You got to
He's the guy.
change business,
No,
change
so-
profession, man.
Yes. Back
Soon, I hope.
Overlanding. Overlanding and DIY specialist.
And something with motorcycles as well.
Absolutely.
Good, no?
Amount of coconut, Kripal.
Nice.
I think that also gives that.
In the sagu, right?
The sagu. Okay.
That sagu is more like a mallu stew.
This one, huh?
No.
Getting very heavy.
But try it, Joe. That the dosa is really good. कौन डोसे कौन बनाया ये?
मल्ली के डोसे सर.
कौन बनाता है?
ये देवैया बोल के कालीगढ़ है.
हाँ.
बनाया.
बहुत अच्छा है.
Thank you sir.
थोड़ा सागु डाल.
और एक डाल दो?
नहीं बस एक बस.
इसमें कोकोनट मिल्क और आलू बटानी ये सब डाल के.
ये थोड़ा केरला स्टाइल का है ना?
केरला स्टाइल सर.
हाँ. स्ट्यू है एक्चुअली ये.
हाँ.
सेम आदमी बनाता है.
हाँ सर.
चटनी है. Thank you. The dosa is excellent. Very soft. Soft and spongy, and it drinks up that stew, that coconut milk-based stew like water. Speaking of water, Joe's getting his.
Electrolytes.
So Joe, you always carry that water pack,
Always
right?
carry.
Why?
It keeps you hydrated, no? So you don't feel tired through the ride. Especially when it gets sunny, no? Your body starts sweating in.
Aptonia, hydration powder. So the older people in our group, like Joe, need it.
Please don't edit this.
No.